I open my heart to the sound and light of God in a smaller cave within a cave, spiritual exercise. A person sings Hugh, are their secret word. Mine is Vana, and it's pronounced like Vane. I wasn't trying to meet any so-called Eckmaster, but I did think about going to a temple of golden wisdom, performing spiritual exercise, ending up in a cave, and watching a rock move to unveil a smaller cavern inside it. As it opens, the person is to say, I open my heart to the sound and light of God. Now, a lot of inner and outer experiences is about opening ourselves to such, because our own restrictions about, hey, if I don't know, I don't know. That's one of the things too that you can do. It's like, rather than, oh, this must be the case. No, just, hey, I don't know if this is the case. I don't really know how much is possible, whatever. Then, you Vane, Vana, Vana, Vana.